We're here in Food Network Studios, and today we're gonna be tasting nostalgic candy from the 80s.
Who doesn't like candy?
My roommate doesn't like candy.
I don't trust your roommate.
Sugar is my favorite.
Hi, my name is Joel Russo, and I've been a candy addict for 33 years of my life.
So I think the first thing we should talk about is how one actually consumes this. Yeah, I'm packing it down because I remember from my youth it kind of going.
Where was this on your ranking of Halloween candy?
I hate these. I hate things that like require me to try.
This is great.
You know what I like about it? It's grape and it tastes like Tylenol.
It doesn't feel good in your mouth.
No, it's like really grainy and weird.
Is there any flavor that you would never touch?
Orange.
Orange?
Ooh, the orange is nice. I'm sure my mouth is blue now.
Let me see.
You don't really?
Yeah, a little.
I feel like our friendship is reaching a new level sharing pixie sticks.
Yeah, you want to improve a friendship? Pixie sticks. This is one of my favorite candies ever.
Me too. I really love
It's
them.
also my favorite song by the 69 Boys.
Let me see you Tootsie Roll.
I've never.
You've never heard that
No,
song?
that song was made when I wasn't born yet.
Okay, we don't need to talk about that.
Well, they smell very chocolatey. Classic candy.
Classic candy, this was delicious. These kind of always reminded me of malted a little bit. I'm gonna say that the Tootsie Roll is actually underrated.
I agree.
Nostalgic to the max.
This is also as good as I remember it being.
This is low-key one of my favorite candies.
I like these too.
Because I'm a smarty.
I feel like when I go trick-or-treating, this is like the majority of the bag.
It's like what you want chalk to taste like.
I always used to pretend it was medicine. Like, I have to take one a day if you want to go that
A
route.
Smartie a day keeps the doctor away.
This is like Tylenol, but without the drug.
How much medicine do you eat just for fun?
Oh, they made different apples. Like this one's green apple, and this one is golden delicious, and this one is red macintosh.
Okay, this is, I'm always used to the green, and it is so good.
Well, I definitely don't want green apple.
Okay,
Yeah,
that is my favorite apple.
Really?
Yeah, green apple, Granny Smith, or die.
You just eat them as they are, like by themselves?
Yeah,
Ew.
that's how you eat an apple.
I'm gonna try Golden Delicious, but I'm taking the green one home for later.
Same, I'm gonna hang on to that for
Probably
later
two.
because I know what this is about. Okay, one flaw, it's not a big deal because I love these still, but the packaging.
I can't even get it open now.
Wait.
Why? Oh, this is upsetting. Let's just say this apple fell very far from the tree.
I like this because it's like super lazy man's carnival food. Also, I've had enough of these in my day to know that you don't want to suck on it against the roof of your mouth because it'll stick.
Oh, it'll stick
get
there.
like.
Oh, this is a tooth breaker. I'm not going for it.
Why would you bite it?
You don't bite them?
You bite lollipops?
Yeah.
Probably my favorite candy of all time. Like, it's just such a genius invention.
It's perfect.
I'm
yeah.
speechless.
Atomic bomb.
This was the most prized thing when I was in elementary school.
These were always when I was a kid, a little too hot for me, but like I would always try to like hold on to it as much as I could.
I feel like there's something about the pain.
Yeah,
when
like
you're-
remember Warheads? It was like in the same vein
exactly.
as that.
Like it was a challenge.
Just kind of hold it in your mouth for like how long can you do before it gets too much?
Let's just go for it.
Okay.
It tastes like cinnamon.
It's kind of percolating around my lips now. It's getting a little spicy.
It's got a little kick in there.
I don't think I could finish this whole thing and be like happy about it.
It's definitely really hot. I can't feel my tongue.
I remember these being hotter.
You think your tongue's just blown out?
All the hot sauces. This is nothing.
That was a wonderfully exploratory
I
experience.
feel like a kid again.
Yeah, it really just brought me back to Halloween when I was younger.
I'm not exactly awash with nostalgia because I feel like a lot of those things, like they never went away, so it just kind of evolved with me.
Right, like they didn't just die, we broke up with them. But like,
And for me, like, but I'll still like stalk it a little bit on Instagram, just be like, how is Tootsie Roll doing?
That was very fun. It really stirred up a lot of happy memories of camp and Halloween, and the sugar rush will be with me for the rest of the day.
Can't wait to crash.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to Food Network.